Hello traders, welcome. This is Trader's Edge, and let me show you what is happening on the market right now. And of course we are digesting the interest rate decision and words from Jerome Powell right now. So many experts were expecting pivot and Fed outlook on the economy, like they were expecting the end of the interest rates rises process, but it did not happen, and it happened quite the opposite. So Jerome Powell said it's much easier to combat inflation right now with extensive measures and in a way kill the economy. It's much easier rather than not to fight inflation enough and later deal with huge inflation later. Kind of it's easier to sacrifice the economy to allow for the recession in order to fight rising inflation. So this was like a hawkish statement, at least that's how traders perceived it, and a hawkish statement from Fed should be and is good for dollar, positive for dollar, and bad for stocks. And this is the reaction on the market right now. So let me show you euro dollar. You can see that euro dollar came back to the channel down formation, is on new monthly lows. Of course the month just started, but is on the lowest level since 21st of October. This is definitely negative. We do have a sell signal on euro dollar, so positive sentiment for dollar. Let me show you also indices. For example, DAX drop here after this head and shoulder pattern, which helped here, and for example Dow Jones as well. And this is the candle from yesterday, definitely negative, and we do have still a sell signal on indices. Still to come, we're gonna have a decision from Bank of England, and Bank of England is about to rise rates 75 basis points as well, which is supposed to be the biggest hike since 1989. But this is expected, and ahead of this, you can see that British pound is, despite having the biggest hike since '89, situation on pound is negative. So we do have a downswing, wedge, and a downswing. So everything beautifully in line with the technical analysis principle. Of course, yes, that's going to be a rise, but we also waiting for comments from Bank of England about their outlook on inflation, which will be more important than rate hike itself, unless we're gonna have a surprise, so rise other than different than 75 basis points. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.